Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'll get into my analysis. So this was not a great 10 minutes for me. Some of the aspects from sketch 2 did actually work, but I don't know what I've done with really wide set eyes, and then I don't know what's happened to the nose, but yeah, not the greatest results. And the third one was it's just the same. I don't know whether it's the neck maybe throwing it off, I don't know, but yeah, not the greatest of pages, except at a push this one. 3 minutes, 3 minutes 10 and 2 minutes 10. This one I tried to do as a quick sketch, like a quick sketch kind of style, and that didn't quite work, but I'll keep going. Like the previous page, I shall use this as a learning moment and go back to this at a later date to see if I can improve upon the results at a later time. Thanks guys.